Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. If you're looking for a hydrating serum that will rejuvenate your skin and reduce fine lines, then this is the product for you. Formulated with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, this essence repairs and rejuvenates the skin from dryness and aging. It improves skin vitality by reducing dullness and soothing dehydrated skin. It's a simple yet effective lightweight essence that absorbs quickly and gives you a natural and healthy glow. The key ingredient, snail secretion filtrate, contains mucin, an effective ingredient for enhanced moisturization. It instantly soothes damaged skin and delivers moisture deep into your skin, perfect for dehydrated and damaged skin. And don't worry, no snails are harmed in the making of this product. The snail mucin is obtained in a safe and environmentally friendly way. COSRX products are formulated with skin-friendly ingredients that alleviate irritated skin. This essence is 100% natural, hypoallergenic, dermatologist-tested, and free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. So, if you want to give your skin the care and hydration it deserves, I highly recommend trying out the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Don't miss out on giving your skin the love it needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and reviews.